Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we are in Luxembourg and we are visiting some of their castles, wherein one of them was listed by CNN in 2019 as one of the 21 most beautiful castles in the world. Let's check it out. We just entered the castle, guys, and if you visit this one, the entrance fee is
10 euros for adults.
yeah, so we're adults already. So you have
Not
to pay 10
seniors.
euros. Not yet seniors.
Okay, we start our visit here from the courtyard and then we'll go all the way up to the palace. 3 levels to go. Perfect place to read a book.
The Vianden Castle was constructed from the 11th to the 14th century on the foundations of a Roman fort and a Carolingian refuge. This is the second level, which is the inner courtyard, and we're gonna check this out.
It looks quite interesting.
Yeah. It is one of the largest and most beautiful feudal residences from the Romanesque and Gothic periods in Europe. Until the beginning of the 15th century, it was the seat of the influential Counts of Vianden who could boast of their close connections to the royal family of France and the German imperial court. In 1820, under the reign of King William I of Holland, the castle was sold piece by piece, and as a result, it fell into a state of ruin. It was a pile of rubble until the family of Grand Duke of Luxembourg transferred it to state's ownership in 1977. Since restored from its former glory, the castle now ranks as a monument of not only regional but European importance. So now we're gonna take the Télésiège with a good view of the castle of Vianden.
Yeah, we'll go all the way up and then we will walk down.
How much is it? Like one way?
€5 per person.
But if you like, aller-retour, what is it?
Aller-retour, c'est non, c'est
Combien?
c'est
7 euros. No, 7, je vois.
7
7
6
euros.
7
7. So 7 euros. Back and forth. The Gaelic word Vian, which means rocky, is where the town of Vianden got its name. Vianden is listed as a city as early as 1256, but it isn't until 1308 that it has the official status of a city. The Télésiège in Vianden is the only chairlift in Luxembourg. Victor Hugo, the author of Les Misérables and The Hunchback of Notre Dame, spent some time living in Vianden in 1871, which is why there are sculptures of him around as well as streets and hotels bearing his name. Look at that, guys. It's super high already.
Yes,
It's super high, and I have a fear of heights.
they're like birds flying now over trees.
But it's fine. I will not look down because or else I'm gonna vomit. And that is the view up there. I'm gonna show you. There. That's we're still going up. The ride takes you across the Our Valley to an altitude of 440 meters with unique views of the castle. Luxembourg is the only Grand Duchy in the world, which means instead of a king and queen, they have a Grand Duke and Grand Duchess. Once Once you arrive at the top, you may enjoy some drinks and food from the restaurant with a mesmerizing view of the valley of Vianden. It is understandable why there are more visitors coming every year given the history of the place. In 2019, the castle welcomed more than 219,000 visitors. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And for all of you out there, thank you so much for all your support throughout the years. Don't forget to like, post your comments and suggestions. From this beautiful bridge here in Luxembourg, thank you for watching The Planet V.